Want to get your salary before payday? Monzo's Get Paid Early feature lets you access your wages up to a day sooner. If your employer pays you by BACS or BACS transfer, which most UK employers do, Monzo can advance the money as soon as it's on the way to your account. When Monzo sees your incoming payment, usually by 4 p.m. the working day before your payday, you'll get a notification in the app asking if you would like to get paid early. Just tap the button and the money will arrive in your Monzo account right away. No waiting until the next day. Getting paid early with Monzo doesn't cost anything extra and works every time you're paid by BACS, including salaries, pensions, or benefits. It's a great way to cover bills or expenses sooner if your payday falls on a weekend or if you just need your money a bit earlier. If you're not sure whether your payments qualify, check your last payslip or ask your employer if they use BACS. And remember, getting paid early doesn't change your pay cycle. It just gives you faster access to money you have already earned. If this guide helped you how to learn how to get paid early with Monzo, like this video, subscribe for more Monzo tips, and share it with friends who will love early access to their wages. Thanks for watching.